like Kevin Hart. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Hey yo, it's your girl Tiana and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome, join the team because we are lit and fashionable over here always. So as y'all can see by the title, today we are doing an unboxing. Your girl finally ordered her vanity mirror and this has been a long time coming. I have been needing a mirror for my vanity for about like almost 2 years now. I had one but it ended up breaking and I just never ended up getting a new one until recently. So like I said, today we are doing unboxing. Here's the mirror. I got this mirror off Amazon and I think I spent about the text, it was like 170 some. Now I don't know if that's pricey because I did get a decent sized mirror, so to me I feel like I got it at a reasonable price. It is an LED mirror. It comes with different settings and stuff like that. Then I got it, I think it was the ultra thin. It's not like super thick, it's real thin. So it just looked nice and chic when it's sitting on the desk and my bad. So it looks nice and chic once it's sitting on my vanity and stuff. So we gonna unbox it and see what that thing talking about. Like I said, I did purchase this off Amazon. It took like, I ordered it Thursday night and then I got it by Saturday evening or whatever. So it took no time for it to get here. Like I said, I did spend like 170 some dollars on here. They do have cheaper ones if that's a little out of your budget, but like I said, y'all know I'm extra, so I had to get it big, I had to get it thin, and you know I had to get it with all these different settings. They do have these with Bluetooth connected to it, like you can play music out your mirror, but I didn't necessarily need all that because I already have a speaker, so that was just like a non-necessity. So I got this one and y'all gonna unbox it with me and see how we put it together. Well, see how I put it together. So enough said, we finna hop into it. But before I unbox this with y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl drop. Cause like I said, we lit over here. Don't y'all want to be notified every time, you know, I post something so we can be lit together? Like, come on, turn on that bell. I keep telling y'all. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I got my scissors and we about to cut this thing open and see what we're talking about. Oh, I don't know if I told y'all the name. I don't know if this is the exact name of it, but on the box it says it's the Hollywood makeup mirror. I'm gonna tag it below, so if you want to purchase it, you can do so. Or whatever. And the box is not heavy at all. Like I thought by this being a mirror it was gonna be heavy, but it's not heavy at all. And y'all, do not cut this like I'm cutting. This is very dangerous, but you know, sometimes we gotta live life a little dangerous. It is dangerous. Okay, so we got this stuff, whatever it is. We gonna figure that out. I guess this is the plug for it to hook up, you know, hook up to the wall so it can come on or whatever. There's some screws in here. I don't know what that's for quite yet. And it comes with a remote, I guess, so you can change the settings. Y'all, it's literally like, it is not as big as I thought, but I don't need it to be that big, so I think this is the perfect size. But y'all, it is literally like, what, 3 o'clock in the morning? and I'm doing this. But hey, better late than never. Okay, these are all the little pieces. One thing I can say, the packaging is phenomenal. They made sure this was not gonna break, but let me not speak too soon because we still gotta flip it over and see. Oh. Ribbit! Ribbit! So this is what it looked like. I don't want to take it out the plastic just yet because I don't want to get my fingerprints on it, which it might have a little covering on it. I'm gonna be honest. I like it. I do. I like it. But it is a little tad smaller than I thought. Like, I even thought the bugs was gonna be a little bigger. I don't know. But I don't know, like, you know, it's a good size, but I was expecting a little bigger. Just a little bigger, but I honestly think it's gonna fit on my desk just fine. Cause when I see show y'all my desk / vanity area, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's the perfect size. But I was expecting just a little tad bigger, but you know, it's cute. But let's hook it up so we can see. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna clean off my little vanity area and stuff like that so we can get ready to put the mirror on here. Don't judge my table, y'all. It been through quite a little bit, couple of moves and scuffles and everything. I gotta give me a new desk, but right now it's doing what it's supposed to do. Is holding my makeup, and you know it's doing its job. So don't judge unless you gonna buy me another one. Don't say nothing. But anyways, like I said, we're finna get ready. Well, I'm finna get ready and clean off my vanity so we can put my mirror on here so we can start hooking it up to see what it's gonna give. Alright, y'all, now that we have the table all cleared off, we're about to go ahead and place the mirror on here and start hooking it up. I thought it came with a paper full of directions, but I don't see it, so we're gonna do what we do best, figure it out. I'm gonna assume that the placement of the mirror gonna go something like that. Like that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, you just slide it down in there. There we go. It's so pretty and it fits perfect. It's perfect. Yay! Like a kid on Christmas. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Does that sound like Kevin Hart? So excited. So excited. Oh my god. Okay. Let's hook it up. Okay, so the screws was like, remember I had some screws. The screws is for like if you want to hang it up on a wall and stuff like that, but we're not doing it. So let's see. Take the it comes with the plastic on the plug or whatever. You just pull that off. Oh my god. Okay, Bookie. Okay, Bookie. I'm ready. Okay, let me stop. The reveal. Let's see what is Ooh. Okay, y'all. Look at y'all looking at me through the mirror. Hey, beautifuls. Y'all so pretty. But okay, y'all. Let's see how this thing cut on. So far, so good. It's looking real yay. I'm so excited. But we got to make sure this thing actually cuts on. So, let's see. It comes with this remote. And I guess they all come with the same remote because it got the Bluetooth button on here. And I guess that's for like the people who would like have the one that plays the music. I don't think this one play music. Well, I don't know. I don't see no speakers or nothing like that. But it comes with the remote. It has the Bluetooth on here. It has a camera setting on here, which I don't exactly know what that is for. I'm going to read the instructions to find out. And then I don't know what M plus and M minus mean. And then it has the different light settings. So, I don't know. We finna see. First, we're going to see if you can cut it off from the remote. Baby, do the remote not work? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, do y'all see how bright it is getting? Do y'all see that? Oh my god. I don't know. What is this? What is P? It has a letter P on the mirror. I don't know. Oh, wow. So you can change. So the first tone was more of like a yellow tone. Let's see. Oh, okay. So if you hold the P, it dims it down. Oh, okay. So this changes the light setting. So M, you can, okay, that's like a dim white. That's more of like an orangey yellow. That's more of like a bright yellow. Okay. This cuts it down. And then this cuts it back up. So if you hold it one time, it cuts it down. And if you hold it again, it brightens, it gets back bright. Baby, I love this. And then you have the power button in the middle. If you hold it, it completely cuts off. So you can either touch the mirror and it cuts on and off, or you can use the remote. Either way, you're gonna be good. And baby, I love it. So one more time. Power. Ooh, do you see how when you have power, how it cuts on? Oh my god. I'm so excited. Like I said, Amazon, like $170. I feel like it's the perfect size and stuff like that. I still have room to put my laptop and my candles, and that's what I was worried about. I said, Lord, am I gonna have the room to put my little scented stuff right here? You know, have a whole little vibe, and I'm gonna have room to sit my wine down while I'm doing my makeup. And baby, it's perfect. And like I said, I did get the ultra thin mirror. So I don't know how thick the regular one is, but the thin one is perfect. Alright, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. I am obsessed with my mirror. It does come with a port on the side so you can charge your phone or whatever, and also it comes with like a little magnet tripod. You can either clamp a mirror up here, which I have hanging on there now, or you can clamp your phone on there. And I'm assuming that's what the camera and the Bluetooth is for. You can connect this remote to your phone, so if you're shooting content from the mirror, you're able to record or take pictures from your phone with this remote with just a click of the button. So with further ado, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified every time your girl drop. And until next time, which is real soon, have fun, be safe, enjoy life, spread positivity, because there's a lot of negativity going on, and we need more positive spirits in this world. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and bye. See you soon.